cheese fries, strawberry milkshake, and a delicious burger. I hope she gets back soon, because I'm hungry. Where are we at?
Shake Shack.
What are you going to get? And that's the rice shake.
I want the classic babe.
Classic.
Just to try. I don't know what flavor is this. It looks in Thai. What burger do you recommend?
Burger. Get this Shake Shack burger, I guess.
Shock burger, this one?
Yeah. Right. English, right here.
Okay.
Smoke burger have jackfruit wood?
Where's jackfruit? Oh,
Jackfruit wood.
maybe they use jackfruit wood to smoke
Yeah.
the bacon.
They even have Thai milk tea ice cream.
Ah,
Strawberry.
black and white.
Black and white. I think that sounds classic.
Really? I want the classic because I never had one.
Okay.
So what do you recommend for the classic shake?
Well, I don't know. Black and white sounds familiar to me.
Okay.
What's calling your name?
Thai milk tea. But you said it's not that classic.
You're ordering at Shake Shack.
It was easy because they have like an English menu, so I just pointed everything. Here,
Okay.
this. I did not add whipped cream to the no.
That's okay.
Okay, that's a classic, right? No whipped cream.
Sure.
I'll go to the bathroom.
Okay. Cheese fries, strawberry milkshake, and a delicious burger. I hope she gets back soon, because I'm hungry. First Shake Shack.
I'm gonna take a photo of me, baby, because this is my first Shake
you?
Shack. Yeah.
In America, it's supposed to be like a battle of Shake Shack versus In-N-Out, which is
Really?
better, yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
How is it?
Is this strawberry? It's very creamy. I couldn't taste like it's like milk. Is it strawberry?
Yeah.
Really?
It's very lightly.
I could like just taste like the milk lang. Wait about this. Rice.
What do you think of the cheese?
Super strong cheese, but it's good.
This reminds me of like what we'd eat at baseball when I was a little kid. Well, I'd be playing baseball, but they'd always sell snacks there, and people would sell cheese fries. Try the burger. Supposedly Shake Shack is the higher quality place, but it's more expensive.
Higher quality than In-N-Out.
Yeah, that's why everything looks so nice. Yeah.
That's a very good patty.
And then I got some Thai chili sauce and some ketchup.
Let's see. Wow. Thai chili sauce is really good.
Now ketchup,
I love the chili sauce better.
chili sauce.
Let's try that. See if it's the same in America.
It's a super good cheese sauce.
Is it the same?
I think I've had In-N-Out and not Shake Shack. So this is Shake Shack for both of us for the first time.
Oh, really? The beef is really good.
It is really good. Honestly, for the price, I'd rather have Wendy's. To tell you the truth.
Really?
It's very
Wendy's
similar.
Is more expensive or cheaper?
Cheaper.
What about the milkshake?
Yeah, that's a very maybe their machine's broken. Or we got vanilla instead of strawberry.
Right? It's not really.
You want me to go back and exchange it?
No? It's good still, but I just didn't taste the strawberry. Or maybe she got, or the guy confused because I'm just pointing, right?
There's a strawberry here.
Okay, maybe that's it. But the good thing is, wait, the good thing is they have free water.
Did?
They serve us with free water. It's like a Starbucks here.
Where are we at now?
We're in White So getting some ice cream because we've been walking a lot.
What did you get at the store?
It's very cheap. What did you saw, Nano Babe? They're in specialty.
But the ice cream was like French toast. They had different types of ice creams. I don't see any English.
This one. There's a banana.
Okay. Crumb Kings, it looks good too. It looks like fried dough. Black sesame, Milo, Thai tea, strawberry, plum, yuzu.
Can we, babe, get one soda?
Yeah.
I'm so thirsty.
Okay.
What do you think is good? Plum? I never had plum.
Okay. So plum sparkling soda.
Yuzu is lemon, passion fruit. I'm with these two.
No, two?
No, I'm not sure which of these two.
I think both are good.
Okay, plum. That's my first
Are you
choice.
getting any additions? Are you getting additions to it? Like any soy thong or raspberry?
No, just here. Is it moving? No. I thought it's moving. This is your choice. Let's see if you had a good choice. This is toast.
I think it's French toast.
See. I'll eat the toast first. I'm tasting the bread first. Nothing special in the bread. Let's combine everything now. Oops. Ice cream, bread, and banana. That's a good combo, babe. Really. Try it. Good combo right there.
Bananas are nice and get a little creme brulee on them.
Yeah. And I think this is peanuts on the side.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh no.
It's a good combination, right?
How about just the ice cream?
This one's really good, but it doesn't taste peanut butter.
It's very subtle, yeah. What do you think of the plum?
I don't know. Maybe I find it weird because this is my first plum juice, plum soda. Very sour. What about you?
Yeah, it's a little sour. Tastes very fresh though.
They said it's real juice on it. I mean, real fruit.
I believe it.
Plum is what shape fruit?
Brown and like purple. It's what, have you ever heard of prunes?
Familiar, yeah.
People eat prunes to make them poop. Prune is a dried plum.